In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add affiliate links in Google Sites. If you're new to affiliate marketing, an affiliate link is a unique URL that tracks clicks and sales so you can earn commissions. The process in Google Sites is quick, and I'll walk you through it so you can add links to text or images with confidence. First, open your Google site. Make sure you're in edit mode so you can make changes. If you manage multiple sites, double check you're in the right one and that you have the affiliate URL you want to use ready to paste. It's best to copy it directly from your affiliate dashboard so you don't miss any tracking parameters. Next, navigate to the page where you want the link to appear. This could be a product review page, a resources page, or any section where your recommendation makes sense. Keeping links relevant helps with user trust and improves the likelihood of clicks. Now choose what will act as the link. If you're linking text, highlight the exact words you want to be clickable. Aim for clear, descriptive text that tells people what they'll get rather than a vague "click here." If you're linking an image, select it once so it's outlined. Make sure the image clearly represents the product or service you're recommending. With your text highlighted or your image selected, add the link. You can do this by clicking Insert at the top and choosing Link, or by clicking the chain link icon in the toolbar. A quick shortcut is Ctrl+K on Windows or CMD+K on Mac. This opens a small dialog where you'll place your URL. Paste your affiliate URL into the field and click Apply. Take a moment to confirm the full link has been pasted, including any tracking parameters at the end. Some programs use long URLs, that's normal. If there's an option to open the link in a new tab, you can enable it to keep visitors on your site while they check the offer. After you apply, you'll see your text styled as a link or your image marked as linked. You can hover to preview the destination or click the linked text or image while editing to adjust or remove the link later. That's all it takes. Open your site, go to the right page, select your text or image, add a link, and apply your affiliate URL. Keep your anchor text clear, place links where they're genuinely helpful, and always ensure you're using the correct tracking link from your affiliate program.